Hello, this is Krishna from ColdFusion team. I work on installers. Now I'm going to present you on how to download hotfixes directly and apply to ColdFusion installations. So let's say you want to apply ColdFusion 10 mandatory update. So what you have to do, you can download it from the link provided. Save the file to your local desktop. See ColdFusion 10. Let's say you want to create it, create a directory under ColdFusion 10 mandatory update. Save it. Now what we have to do, open command prompt with run as administrator option. Now what we have to do, cd to the directory that we have downloaded the file to. What we have to do, you have to invoke this installer. So for doing this, what you can do, it is always recommended to use the same JRE as that is used by ColdFusion. So you can invoke ColdFusion Java by doing this. See ColdFusion 10 JRE bin java.exe -jar cf10 mandatory update jar file name, enter, which will launch the installer. So go through the on-screen steps and you will be able to complete the installation. ColdFusion 10 directory is same. It is trying to do, it is trying to stop the ColdFusion server. You can see here it is stopping, and now it is stopped. All the services are stopped actually. Once you install, now what it does is, once the installation is done, it will try to start the ColdFusion server. So you can see the status is starting here. Now it is started. So if you want to find the log location and all, what you can do, because this is mandatory update, the log file location is under C ColdFusion 10, that is ColdFusion home directory. Now let us say you want to apply ColdFusion update 8, rather than from ColdFusion administrator, you want to download it from Adobe website and then apply it. So what you have to do, go to ColdFusion 10 administrator, then go to the link on the left hand side. You can find server update link. Click on under that one, updates another link is there, sub link is there. Click on updates. It was logged out because just now ColdFusion mandatory update was applied. So what you have to do, go to under server updates, go to the settings tab, copy the update site URL is there in this page. Copy the URL and paste it in the browser and click on it. What it will do, it will take you to the XML file which contains all the details about where the file is downloaded from. So what you can do, once it is opened, if you go to view page source, you can see that there are all the updates information is available here. Let's say in general the latest update will be the first entry in this XML file. So what we have to do, if you here item is the root node, and for each update one new item will be there. So for let us say ColdFusion 10 update 8 item, can go to the corresponding cfhf underscore download link node of the XML. So this is where the jar file location is. So what you can do now, copy this and paste it into the browser URL to download it. So now a download window opens. So save the file to the directory where we are maintaining repository of Artfix installation files. HF installers. Save. So now you can see that Artfix 8 is downloaded. What you have to do now, cd to the directory that we have downloaded to. See ColdFusion 10 HF I have downloaded under HF underscore installers, and invoke this installer offline. See ColdFusion 10 jre bin java.txt -jar hotfix underscore 008.jar. Invoke it and it will open on-screen installation. Once you do this, it will let you go through all the steps and you will be able to apply the hotfix. See ColdFusion 10. Now it will try to stop the services. Some services are stopped. Now it is stopping the ColdFusion 10 application server. ColdFusion 10. Once the installation is done, it will try to start the server. Make sure to show process from all users. Now we can see here ColdFusion and ColdFusion svc.txt running.